Alright, so this is the next installation of where we've got to. We got the house preliminarily valued this morning and we are getting there. Adam's going to do the front door and this is the hallway, which is yet to be done. He's just filling it. Hallway's not done yet. Front room is not done yet, as you can see. But then coming through to the kitchen and it's starting to look like a finished project. We have Pete the pipe above the kitchen fireplace and all of the mosaic above the sink. That's all done. Staircase is nearly finished. We need to paint the up treads and the yellow hallway has gone. Just finishing off the first bedroom, which just need to do the glossing of the skirts and rehang the door. And this room has view of the river, which is rather beautiful. Nearly done, and Radio 3 in the background. Then we go into the bathroom, which has got a shower cubicle. Need to do a little bit more silicone in here, in the loo, and the sink's dropped back. Flooring's all laid, looking pretty pristine. And here's a rather lovely stained glass window with the 3 birds. And the lizard door handle. And then we go up. This was all yellow and is now all a blank canvas again. And the beautiful big window has the new brass catches and lifts. That window opens fully now, and the curved walls. And then up to the last video I made, the 2 top rooms, which are now all finished. The fireplace is done, handles back on, and there's beautiful views today of the river and the back top bedroom, the church and the bridge. Stained glass window, exposed stone, it's all sealed. Floors are all clean and looking spectacular. And the back bedroom, stained glass window and views out to the hills and the river on that side. We've nearly made it, it's great.